This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in the Video Sequencer workspace so you can see both video and audio tracks. First, import the audio via Add Sound and pick a WAV or MP3. This preserves quality. Once added, drag the clip to align with your video's first frame. Make sure project frame rate matches your render settings to avoid drift. Open Properties Output and confirm. These steps get the audio into place and prevent sync issues before you edit volume or apply effects. Now refine timing and loudness so the music supports the visuals. Use K to cut and G to move strips. Snap to frames to keep precise sync. Open the sidebar N for strip properties and set volume, or add keyframes to automate level changes for dialogue sections. To prevent abrupt starts or ends, apply fade and slash out via effect strip or add manual volume keyframes for smooth ramps. Once done, preview playback with audio scrubbing, enabled to confirm musical cues line up. Finish by exporting a combined file with proper audio settings. Set output to FFmpeg, choose container and encoding, and pick AAC or PCM for quality. Enable audio in the render options. If you applied effects, render audio mixdown to bake changes before final render. If the exported audio is out of sync or missing, recheck sample rate matches project, ensure channels aren't reversed, and try re-importing the source. One quick troubleshooting tip: render a short clip to isolate the issue before committing to a full export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.